Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to your trusted channel Medicine Info, where we provide you with complete, accurate, and useful information about medicines. Today, we'll be discussing a very effective and commonly used cream called Hydrozole Cream. This cream is used for various skin conditions such as fungal infections, itching, redness, inflammation, and rashes. This video is especially for people who are tired of recurring skin problems and are looking for a fast-acting, reliable, and simple remedy. What is hydrozole cream? Hydrozole is a powerful topical cream that combines two active ingredients. The first is hydrocortisone, which is a mild steroid that reduces redness, inflammation, and itching. The second is clotrimazole, an antifungal agent that kills the fungi causing the infection. Together, these ingredients provide quick and effective relief from skin discomfort and fungal growth. What skin conditions is it used for? Hydrosol cream is used in many skin conditions where itching, redness, and fungal infections are common. It is effective for ringworm, a fungal infection that appears as circular red patches on the skin. It works for athlete's foot, which causes itching and burning between the toes. It also treats jock itch, a fungal infection in the groin area, common among men. Women often use this cream for yeast infections that cause irritation and redness on the skin. It is also useful for treating eczema, dermatitis, skin rashes, and inflammatory skin patches. If your skin is sensitive, red, itchy, or has fungal infections, this cream provides a soothing, cooling, and healing effect. How to use hydrozole cream? First, clean the affected area thoroughly and pat it dry. Take a small amount of hydrozole cream and gently apply it over the area. Massage lightly until it is absorbed. Use it twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed. For best results, continue using it regularly even if the symptoms disappear early. Some people apply it under dressings, but always consult a healthcare provider before doing so. Precautions: do not apply the cream near the eyes, inside the nose or mouth, or on private internal parts unless advised by a doctor. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should only use it after medical advice. Avoid using on open wounds or severely damaged skin. Always wash your hands after applying the cream to prevent spreading infection. Possible side effects: although hydrozole is safe for most people, it may cause mild side effects in some cases. These may include slight burning, irritation, dryness, or peeling of the skin. Overuse or long-term use of steroid creams like this can thin the skin or cause discoloration. If you experience any allergic reaction like redness, swelling, or rashes, stop using it and consult a doctor immediately. Conclusion: hydrosol cream is a trusted and effective solution for fungal infections, itching, inflammation, and various skin issues. Its dual action formula not only kills the fungus but also soothes the irritated skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might benefit. Let us know in the comments which medicine you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.